वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल, दिस इज शामली। और आज का वीडियो है अबाउट नायका। और मैंने नायका से बहुत सारी शॉपिंग की है और मैं अपने रिव्यूज़ आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। वैसे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ किए हैं, तो वो अच्छे हैं बुरे हैं, उनके एप्लीकेशंस क्या क्या हैं, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग आई एम गोना शेयर इन दिस वीडियो। आई नो माई लास्ट वीडियो वॉज अबाउट विंटर स्टाइलिंग आइडियाज पार्ट 1 and I supposed to upload a second part on this week, but since I received my Nyka's product, so I thought to share reviews, applications, each and everything about it. So the winter styling ideas part I'll upload next week, okay? But before start the video, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना जब भी कोई नया वीडियो आपको नोटिफिकेशन our very first product is this Nyka's facial oils. So there was a variety of oils, total I think 10 kind of oils they have for different purpose. And guess you know what, so there was an offer on Nyka's product. If you buy for 1200 or more, you get a Nyka's Wonder Puff lipstick. It is a combo of lipstick and plus, which cost is 899. Yes, so I got it for free. I got its random color. I didn't choose any color. They themselves sent me the color. So yes, I like this product, but individually I would not recommend to buy it because since this is a Wonder Puff lipstick, so it has two applications. You can use it on your lips, on your cheeks also for blush. So I have used this one only for blush. So you can see it has perfectly blended and it's giving quite smooth texture. So for blush I really like this product, but for lipstick so it's not giving quite smooth texture, and when I'm rubbing more then the lipstick is coming out. So purposely I would not recommend to buy it. It's a pen thing on the bottom side. I found this, but I was pushing, pulling, but it was not coming out. So I was like, क्या ये आ क्यों नहीं रहा है? So it's okay. When I saw the video, then I got to know, okay, I have to push it continuously, then only it will come out. Or if it's not, so you can little push its puff, so it will come out and you can use it. For cheeks it's giving a perfect smooth texture, but for lips it's not quite giving perfect smooth texture, I can see. So our first product is this Nyka Skin Potion facial oils. This I'm using this last 3-4 days. It's a glow boosting. So and this one I'm using since last 2 days for my makeup. So now also I have used this before applying makeup on my face. So this is basically Nyka Skin Potion Radiant Beauty Facial Oil. So before applying any makeup, firstly I had used moisturizer, which I always use the Lakme Sun Expert Cream. After that I have used this. So don't apply it directly. If you have applied any moisture or something, so first let your skin observe the product, then only you apply the second product. So secondly I applied this facial. So my skin is looking very smooth, very flossy, very shiny. In general when I do my makeup so it gives a quite powdery texture, but when I'm using it, so it's giving quite shiny texture, and my skin is really looking shiny or glow. Just 2 to 3 drops is okay for it. 1, 2 and 3. So our second oil is glow boosting facial oil. So it's basically for when you know in a day-to-day life, when you use daily makeup products, so we start losing our actual glow somewhere. So this oil boosts your glow actually, and I'm using this last 4 days, and I really found a little difference on my face when I use it in the night. So in the night I applied before sleeping. I just clean my face by face wash, and after cleaning my face I use it, and I woke up in the morning and see myself in the mirror. My face is really looking very smooth, very fresh, very glowing. So it's really amazing. You should go for it. Taste it. So our third product is this Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder. It's also SPF 28PA++. There was in 3 shades in this basically. It was light ivory, dark ivory and natural ivory, and the brightest color was this natural ivory only. So you can buy as per your skin tone, as per matching with my skin, so I buy this one. Okay, so today I have used this also after applying CC cream. It's only one layer is enough when you apply it, and I really found some difference in my face. Let me show you its shade. So yeah, you can buy this as per your skin tone, your skin color, whatever is matching. There was 3 shades. So from my side, this for Maybelline. And this compact powder, I really found it very smooth texture, very glossy skin. So you can use this. So our fourth product is this Blue Heaven eyeliner, and it's really very smooth. When it's just one stroke is enough. You don't need to rub it continuously. And in a day-to-day routine, I use this one only, and now also I am wearing this one only. See how this is giving a smooth look. I don't see any side effect from this one, so yes, you can go for it. So our fifth product is again from Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Its shade is 10 Light. And so in today's makeup look, I have used this one, and I really found it amazing. It gives smooth texture. It doesn't breaks out and doesn't give lines and all, some breaking lines. No, it blends perfectly. It gives smooth texture and amazing. So from my side, you can go for it. So my next product is again from Maybelline. It's Maybelline New York Colossal Mascara. It's waterproof. I always purchase waterproof mascara only. Previously I used this Hyper Color mascara, so I thought to change my mascara this time, but I didn't find any special change. Both are looking same, so you can go for any one. It was showing for big, bold and volume. They didn't found any big use difference in both. So you can go for any one. I say yes for both of them. It doesn't has any side effect. Really, always take care about the products whatever I'm using in my eyes. So yes, Maybelline, I really love this. These two, you can go for it. So our next product is eyelash curler, and it's from HP Bronze On. On Nykaa it was showing best seller, so I purchased it, and you can go and check for it. And it's really amazing. I'm using since last 2 days, and you can see its difference. I can see its difference. difference. And it's really amazing. Its application is very smooth, or this is very smooth also. So I found it really amazing. You can go for it, and you can see the difference. My lashes are looking curly. Came extra. It has on bottom side it's rubber, so it came extra. I don't know for what it came extra. Maybe when we can change it as per the time, so it has come. So I got this extra rubber band, and it's really good. You can go for it. So our last product from this bada wala cartoon is this Nykaa bag. I was really thinking since so long that I have to purchase that new pouch, because you know you are traveling somewhere, so you need to keep some essential with yourself. So I thought कि जब मैं इतना सब कुछ नायका से ही खरीद रही हूँ, why this one? ये भी खरीद लेते हैं, साथ में ये भी हो जाएगा. So I have purchased all the products after checking the reviews only. So guys, if you are going for a product first time, never ever do the mistake that you purchase it before checking reviews, because I haven't returned any product on Nykaa, but मैंने कुछ reviews देखे हैं where people are complaining about the return process on Nykaa. So I don't know about the Nykaa return product process. तो मैंने कभी भी रिटर्न नहीं किया है, और मैं श्योर होने के बाद ही प्रोडक्ट्स मंगाती हूँ. सारे रिव्यूज चेक करके, अपने रिक्वायरमेंट चेक करके ही मंगाती हूँ. मेक श्योर you also do the same. So this bag has some metallic leather outside and some cloth inside. Rexy, maybe this is Rexy. Yeah, I would recommend it. You can go for it. It's from Nykaa brand. Now let's start with our Chutu box. So let's see what is inside it. So our first product is again from HP Bronzon Professional. So it's Ponge, and I really found it very good because it's very spongy, and it has this cut piece, so you can blend it, your nasal portion of the face, and it has this point also, so you can blend under your eye portion from this. So you can go for it. So next product from this is eyelash, which is from Gub USA brand. So it has a glue inside also, but when I use it now, so I really didn't found it cool, because I tried to stick on my eyelashes, but I tried at least for half an hour, but maybe I'm doing this eyelash application, that's why it is happening. Because in general I really don't use, I do all the makeups, but I don't use eyelashes. So now I will start to use it. So for my first time trial, I purchased this one. It has glue inside this, but I don't know, it has some problem with the glue or what is the issue. I'm gonna try it again, and if I really found it's the stick what I have, I'm gonna share it on my Instagram story. So you can go and follow me on Instagram. My ID is SHYAMFSBNDIP. You can go and follow me. You can get the links. So our next product is this Lakme CC cream. I use beige shade. You can use another shade also. It's totally depending what is your skin complexion or what color is compatible with your skin. You can purchase that. I use beige, and it's SPF 30 PA++ also, and I really found it's very cool because I can carry it on my daily makeups, my party makeups, my wedding looks, and my functions makeups also. I can carry this, and even now also I have used this one, or I really found it very very amazing, क्योंकि सब जगह काम आ जाता है. Yeah, it has 3 shades: beige, bronze and honey. So I use beach. Maybe honey is little lighter than it, and bronze is little darker than it. So you can go as per your skin complexion. Or I always use this. It has no side effects, or it's long lasting also, and it gives quite smooth texture and it's beautiful. You can go for it. और ये all rounder मुझे लगता है. Before foundation you can apply it, then foundation. Yeah, I apply it after I directly applied the face powder, but let your skin observe this first. So wait for some 10 seconds, then apply face powder. वरना ना सब देखिए कहीं कहीं पैचेस रह जाते हैं और फिर वो पाउडर ऊपर से स्टिक हो जाता है फेस पे, तो वो बहुत ही ना वियर्ड लुक देता है. दैट डजंट लुक स्मूथ. सो या वेट फॉर 10 seconds whatever you are applying, then apply the second product. So our next products are these kajals. So one by one I will go. So first I am choosing this Color Bar All-Rounder Pencil and Tout Round Crayon. So I really found it very beautiful. It's actual long lasting. और जब मैं when I was washing my face ना, then also it was not coming out. So yeah, I really found it very beautiful, very cool, very amazing. और इसका शेड बहुत ही प्यारा आता है. मैं इसको 2-3 बार से I बहुत very lightly I have applied it on my hand. It's just one stroke is enough, and you can use it as a kajal, as a liner also. और बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. It's long lasting और you can go for it. Okay, it's from Color Bar. So 009 it's code. Sexy Silote 009 it's code. So you can go for it. I really love this. So our next product from Bella Boste. So here is a Snowbell liner. Snowbell is its shade. So it has white color, or you can say snow color, which currently I have applied in my eyes, and it's really very classy and seriously it's really giving a cute doll look. So I'm really liking it. You can go for it, and it's also nice product, long lasting, good quality products. You can go for it. And the last one, these from Miss Claire's. This one is from In Color, and these two from Miss Claire. So it has black colors. I'm gonna use these 3 for some my creativity. When we create some concept by makeup, or we do some creativity with the makeup, then we really require some additional products. So I'm gonna use these. One in that white, black, golden. I really found the oils I really found very good. You should go for this. Or these times it's winter season, our skin normally gets dry, or from makeup also skin gets dry. So you should really apply some product that your skin makes hydrated and soft. Hey guys, hope you liked the video, and if you really found it very helpful, don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video. और I will again come up with these videos. Yes, next video will be about the winter styling ideas part 2, as I had mentioned in my last video. So I'm gonna upload that video next week. और इस वीक डिले हो गया क्योंकि मैंने नायका प्रोडक्ट्स की I got the products, so I thought to give a review about them, because I really found some products really very beautiful, and I had already told about that. So again I am saying, don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my